God wants you to keep in mind that things in your life, including your romantic life, will change. You were meant to begin this upcoming year with a predestined faith. The best version of you would emerge from a brand new you. God is aware of every detail of your prayers and long-awaited fulfillment of your goal. Everything will become clear in the end. Your shadowing is already complete. It's time to soon reunite with your destined spouse. Trust that this reunion is destined to happen. The two of you would be relocating together. Everything in your new home is brand new, something that will make all aspects of your life successful for you. The process will be simple. Everything you put effort into will soon pay off. You are drawn to new situations and opportunities. Always remember that the divine is directing your journey with this person. Your heart can now be fully opened once again. All the knowledge you needed is being brought to you by God, who has also prepared you for what lies ahead. All of the circumstances in your life were created by you, and they are working out incredibly well for you. Dark days are behind you as you explore the wonderful aspects of life that you have yet to discover. God is telling you that you are finding new and beautiful qualities and abilities about yourself. As you get older and wiser each year, you'll emerge even more highly intelligent. Never squander energy on things that won't help you succeed. Just keep your attention on you. Keep striving to meet your goals. Maintain an optimistic attitude. Take better care of your health, and nothing will stand in the way of everything falling into place. This is the miracle of blessings that God is giving you before the year is over. You're very glad and proud of yourself because for the first time in your life, you have resolved to persevere and never give up.